Hello, good afternoon, students. Today, the revision of understanding quadrilaterals and mensuration. I have taken 2 and 3 sums from each chapters. First one is the volume of a cylinder is 112 pi cubic centimeter and its radius is 4 centimeter. Find the curved surface area of the cylinder. Now, volume of a cylinder is given. We know that the volume of a cylinder is pi r square h and radius is given. So, pi r square h. The volume of a cylinder is given 112 pi and pi r square h. Pi r is your 4 centimeter and find h height. So, pi cancels. 4 square is 16. H is equal to 112.16 is equal to 7. Now, find the curved surface area. Curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h. 2 into pi into r into h. So 2 into 22.7 into 4 into 7. This is equal to 176 square centimeter. Second, the length of the diagonals of a rhombus are in the ratio 3:4. If the perimeter is 80 centimeter, then find the length of its sides and diagonals. Now perimeter of a rhombus. In rhombus is a quadrilateral in which all four sides are equal and diagonals bisect each other at right angle. So perimeter of a rhombus is equal to 80. From this perimeter we can find side of a rhombus. 80 upon 4 is equal to 20 centimeter. Now diagonal of a rhombus bisect each other at right angle. So therefore AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to OD. AO is equal to OC is equal to 2x and BO is equal to OD is equal to 3x upon 2. In right angle triangle AOB using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. AB square is equal to AO square plus OD square. 2x whole square is equal to 3 upon 2x whole square is equal to 20 square. 4x square plus 9 upon 4x square is equal to 400. Find the LCM. X is equal to 8 centimeter. Now substituting the value of x in both diagonals, 4 into 8 32 centimeter and 3 into 8 24. Here AC is equal to 32 centimeter and BD is equal to 24 centimeter. Question third. The parallel sides of a trapezium are 20 centimeter and 10 centimeter and non-parallel sides are both equal, each being 13 centimeter. Find the area of the trapezium. So what is the area of a trapezium? Half into sum of the parallel sides into height. So height is not given here. First find height. ABC is a trapezium in which AB is equal to 20 centimeter and CD is equal to 10 centimeter and AD is equal to BC is equal to, these two non-parallel sides both are equal, is equal to 13 centimeter. Now throw C, draw CE parallel to AD and CF perpendicular to AB. Now EB is equal to AB minus AE. 20 minus 10 is equal to 10 centimeters. Now this triangle CEB is known as an isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal. Then CF and CF is also perpendicular to AB. It means F is the midpoint of AB. Okay, in an isosceles triangle, this F is the midpoint of AB. If AB is equal to 10 centimeter, then EF is equal to FB is equal to 5 centimeter. Now in a right angle triangle CFB using Pythagoras theorem, BC square is equal to BF square plus CF square, or CF square is equal to BC square minus FB square. 13 square minus 5 square 169 minus 25 144 12 square and CF is equal to 12. Here altitude height of a trapezium is 12 centimeter. Therefore area of a trapezium is equal to half into B1 plus B2 into H. Half into 20 plus 10 into 12, 30 into 6, 180 square centimeter. In this way we can find the area of a trapezium. Fourth, the diagonals of a rectangle ABCD. ABCD is your rectangle. Intersect at O. If angle BOC is equal to 70, find angle ODA. ODA. So we know that the properties of a rectangle, diagonals are equal and diagonals bisect each others. AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to OD. Both diagonals AC and BD are equal in a rectangle and AO is equal to OC is equal to BO is equal to OD. Here angle BOC is equal to 70, therefore angle AOD is equal to also 70 because vertically opposite angles. Now angle ODA is equal to angle OAD. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Now in an isosceles triangle OAD, using angle sum property, angle OAD plus angle OAD plus angle AOD is equal to 180. Because angle ODA is equal to angle ODA, this can be written as angle ODA. 2 angle ODA is equal to 180 minus 70, and angle ODA is equal to 110 upon 2 is equal to 55 degree. So angle ODA is equal to 55 degree. Next, the volume of a metallic cylindrical pipe is 748 cubic centimeter. Its length is 14 centimeter and its external radius is 9 centimeter. Now this is a cylindrical. The external radius, this is 9 centimeter. Find internal radius, thickness. Find thickness. To find the thickness, first we have to find its internal radius. Now it is given that volume of a cylindrical pipe is equal to 748. So pi r square minus r square. R square radius for bigger cylinders, and r, capital R is your radius of bigger cylinder, and small r is your radius of smaller cylinders. So r square minus r square is equal to 748 upon pi into h. Pi 22 into 7 h. This is equal to 14. Solve 81 minus r square is equal to 17, or minus r square is equal to 17 minus 81 is equal to minus 64. Minus minus cancels, r square square cancels, r is equal to 8 centimeter. Thus thickness is equal to r minus r, 9 minus 8. Outer radius minus inner radius, 9 minus 8 is equal to 1 centimeter. In this way we have to solve this sum. So dear students, revise these sums, understanding quadrilateral and mensurations. After 2 days I will also again send you a video of these two chapters, understanding quadrilateral and mensuration. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.